Can you really easily earn up to $14,000 by using the Temu affiliate program as some people claim? And is it really a great opportunity? That's exactly what I will talk about in this video. My name is Michael and I have made money online for more than 8 years and I have tested hundreds of different methods, and many people have asked me about the Temu affiliate program because there are a lot of hype around it, a lot of videos. So I wanted to share my opinion and experiences about this after having looked more into it, so you know what you can really expect and whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So I have now logged into Temu and the affiliate section because you can sign up for free and then you can get access to an affiliate program. And I've seen a lot of hype around this, and people just say like you can just join it, you can find all these products on Temu because it's becoming a huge platform, and then you can just share these links and then earn really great commissions. You can see here, for example, €10, $10 for each referral that downloads it and installs it there. You can earn up to 30% commission, and also here get 14,000 euros or dollars for referring people here. So many videos, like they say that this is just super easy. You see how much money you can earn, just do like this, and then they show you how to do it. But there are some very important steps they forget to tell you, and some very important details they forget to tell you also. And let me just make it clear that yes, you can potentially earn good money with this, but it is just really important that you're aware of all these details. You will not end up just wasting your time instead. So in this video here, I will go over some of the main methods that I have heard other people talk about and then people have asked me about. Does this really work? And go over my experiences and opinions about this. And then I will also tell you some important details that they forget to tell you that you need to consider, and also how I recommend you do this if this is a way that you decide you want to make money online. So when it comes to making money with any affiliate program, whether it's Temu or not, then the main thing is that you need to get traffic. You need to get people to click your links. And this is where I've seen quite a few different variations of how to do that. And people have asked me about the ones that I've seen mainly in some of these videos that make it look like you can earn thousands of dollars within a few days or maybe even the same day and all that. And I'll just explain some of these and what you need to consider about each of these. Because some of the most common ones that I've seen is, for example, Medium or similar platforms where you can publish free articles. Many people say then, oh, you just, find a great product, you just write an article about that, just ask AI, and then in 2 minutes you have it there, you just publish it and people start clicking your links and you'll earn, hundreds of dollars easily today. Or they say like Pinterest, you just find this great product, you just make a few pins, post it on Pinterest, and then you get tons of clicks, tons of traffic, tons of money without much effort today. Or you go to like Reddit or Facebook groups or whatever, and then you just say to people that, oh, get this product here. Then there's different variations. Sometimes they say like share your affiliate link directly, send the links to like a Medium article or something like that, or a link tree. There's different variations of this, but something they have in common, all the methods that claim that you can do this super easily and fast without any experience and all that, one thing they do have in common is what they forget to tell you. And what they don't tell you is that just because you publish an article on Medium, just because you go into Facebook groups, just because you post something on Reddit, just because you make a few Pinterest pins, does not mean that people will see it. If you have never done it before and you use AI to publish an article on Medium that is low quality because you haven't even thought it through or looked through it, you will not get traffic. The same with Pinterest. Just because you create a Pinterest account and you post a few pins, you will not get traffic. It takes consistent time and effort and the right strategy to actually learn to build up an audience. And it's the same, for example, with Facebook groups. Most Facebook groups that will even allow you to share something like that, they're worthless because they're just full of people that do the same thing. And if you find a group that's actually worth it, they will not allow you to spam them, of course. And this is the main reason I'm recording this video, because I've seen so many people ask me about this. Oh, I do what these videos say. They say I can earn hundreds of dollars today by just publishing these articles, just creating these pins. Yeah, you can eventually potentially make good money with any affiliate program like this, but it's not that easy. You don't just publish a few things or use AI to do all the work and then you will become rich and can just sit back and not do anything. That's not how affiliate marketing, that's not how business in general works, whether it's online or offline. And I honestly get quite upset when I see all these videos just claim that it's so easy and just tell, oh, you just need to do this, click there, you just steal that from here, steal that from there, publish it there, and boom, then you make a lot of money, because you just end up wasting wasting time if you believe that it's that easy, and it is frustrating. I've seen so many people thinking that they're doing something wrong because that person told me that it was this easy, and it's just because they're just thinking about views and not thinking about what actually makes sense, what actually helps you, because they're not doing those exact things themselves. They already have audience, they already have viewers, so yes, then you can get clicks easily. But what they're telling you is that it's so easy because they know that that's what you want to hear, and then they get views. But in reality, you will just end up wasting your time in most cases if you go for these quick fixes. And another thing is to also consider the products that you are recommending. Don't just jump for example, Temu affiliate program or any affiliate program just because someone says, oh, you can earn good money here. You need to look at the quality also, so you're sure that what you are recommending is actually something that's useful for people, because that's how you also build up trust and where you can actually make good money by also helping people. That's another aspect that most of the videos that I have watched does not tell you, and this is also an extremely important aspect in my opinion. But as you can hear, I'm not too crazy about the methods or the videos that I've seen that claim that Temu affiliate program is an easy way to make thousands of dollars, because that's not really how it works with any affiliate program. The reality is that you can make really good money with affiliate marketing if you find the great affiliate and the right affiliate programs to join and to promote to the right audiences. But in my opinion, the first step should never be to find the product or the platform that you want to promote. The right way to start is to find the right approach and the right mindset. And to be honest, you will never just find all the steps you need to succeed in a free YouTube video, because most of them are overhyped anyways and don't tell you the important details. So what do I then recommend you do? Let me talk a little bit about that next. So let me share a few tips for how you can increase your chances of making good money with affiliate marketing. And the first thing is, do not trust these too good to be true claims, because first of all, as I just talked about, many of these, like, you just get traffic that easily. No, that's not how it really works. And also, if we, for example, just look at many of the programs or videos that I have seen that talk about Temu affiliate program, then they don't tell you these details. So always look into the details also. For example, these commissions that if you look into it, these $10 or 10 euros, you see that you don't get it just because someone clicks the link. You don't get it just because someone joined. And as you can see, there are a lot of other different things like they need to do for you to actually earn, and many videos kind of forget to tell you that. Then it also, for example, needs to be within 30 days, and the same with this. You can earn up to $14,000, 14,000 euros, or whatever, depending on the country you're located in. You see, people just say like, oh, I can do that. Yeah, but look, there's all these stages there you need to go through to actually reach that level, and then in total, and to ever get to that level, you need a lot of experience, a lot of traffic. So that's the first thing. Don't just believe these too good to be true claims. It's not easy. You won't just be able to get AI to do all the work without ever putting any effort, and always read the exact conditions instead of just believing someone that just tells you, oh, look here, 14,000 euros, how easy it is. Yeah, that's, there are more to it than that. So that's the first tip that I think is important to succeed with affiliate marketing. So the next and very important thing that I think you need to be aware of to succeed with affiliate marketing is to be realistic. It's related to the first one where I talk about not believing these too good to be true claims. And the reality is that if you want to make good money with affiliate marketing, you need to be willing to take the time consistently for a longer period of time. And to do this, you need to have the right mindset. I see so many people fail because they don't have the right mindset. They think they don't have to make any effort. They think they kind of want it. They want to try it for a couple of weeks. Then you will fail. If you want to do this, decide to do it. Decide to make it work no matter what. Decide to be willing to put in time and effort, and then there are really great opportunities, but not this like, oh, maybe I want to try a little bit here and there, because then you won't succeed. And if you just say like, oh, I'll watch a couple of YouTube videos and then, I'll do a little bit here and there, decide you want to do this, treat it as a business, put in time and effort to build something long term. And in my opinion and experience, like, you should preferably set aside like 7 to 10 hours or something like that per week. Of course, the more time you put in, the faster you will get results, but 7 to 10 hours per week. So it's not something you can't do, even if you have a job or something like that, but do that over a longer period of time, several months we're talking, even 6 to 8 months to build a really good foundation. We're talking about building a business that potentially can earn you thousands of dollars per month. And that of course takes time and effort. So this is just to show you what you need to be realistic about. If you say like, I have 1 hour every other week, then you might as well not do it because you will just waste your time. Then there are other ways to just make a bit of extra side cash you should use instead, in my opinion. But if you are willing to put in, let's say 7 to 10 hours per week over a longer period of time to do it with the right mindset, to learn all the steps and all that, then there are opportunities. And I have more information also on my website about the exact method that I have used to build a full-time affiliate income. I'll leave a link to that below so then you can learn more about those exact steps, because as I mentioned, you can't just learn all the steps in a free YouTube video because you are building a business. There are many different moving parts you need to put together. It's something anyone can do, no matter your background, no matter your skills, if you're just willing to put in the time and the effort to actually learn it and to take action. And this is very important to be aware of, so you will not end up wasting your time and potentially money by chasing these fake claims about how easy it is to become rich online. And that was the main reason I decided to record this video, because I've had so many questions about the Temu affiliate program and how it really works. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.